So by far the most difficult part in selling SEO is explaining to someone how long it's going to take for their site to be on the first page. A lot of factors will contribute to this. One major contributor is if your website is internally optimized. This means if someone has already determined your keyword strategy and put those keywords in the right places, and also if your domain name is relevant, or if there's any keywords in your domain name, that's going to make optimizing your site go a lot quicker. So if you consider SEO at the time that you're creating your website, you'll have a leg up. There's also advantages to having a pre-existing website in the fact that Google and Yahoo, they like an older domain name, something that's been around a while. So a best case scenario is actually a website that's well designed, well established, but that you have access to changing some of the internal features of it. Another thing that greatly will determine how long it takes for your website to be on the first page is what your competition is doing and the level of competition. So when an SEO consultant looks at your website, they should be also looking at what your competition has done and the level that your competition is at. And they should be able to give you some sort of range. A lot of SEO consultants will say, there's no way for us to tell exactly. But once you've been doing this for a while, you can kind of see, okay, the top 5 positions have 500 to 600 backlinks. It's going to take us this many months to accomplish that, and this many months for Google to pick up on this and for this to actually work. So they should be able to give you a range. A lot of times for Chicagoland local businesses, in my experience, it's usually been about 3 months before they actually see calls starting to come in and results from internet marketing. That's SEO. I'll talk more about pay-per-click marketing next time. That's a totally different option which can have more immediate results. So I hope this helps.